start.
Hello students, last class we had done introduction of algebra and then we had formed algebraic equations for the statements as well for addition and subtraction. So today we will be doing multiplication and division. If we are given sums like this, how to solve it. Okay. Here what has happened? 3b into 4a. So what we will do? First we will solve this. 3 into 4. That is 12. B and A, we will write it as it is. Remember we are doing multiplication. Okay. Here 7AB into 5AC. So first we will solve this. 7 into 5, that is 35. A I write it here. So there are two A's over here. Here one and here one. What we will do? 2 A's means A to the power of 2. That is nothing but A square. Then B I write it here as it is and C I write it as it is. Here what has happened? P into P into P. So P has been repeated 3 times. So what I do? P to the power of 3. That is nothing but P cube. Here what has happened? A cube into A square. So here what I'll do? I'll add the powers. We should always add the powers. A 3 plus 2, that is nothing but 5. A to the power of 5. Always remember when you are doing multiplication in algebra, we have to add up the powers. Here, when there is no power, see here just A is given. What we have to consider? We have to consider the power is 1. Okay. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. A square. Here what has happened? AB into CD. All are different terms. So what I'll write it? ABCD. I'll write it as it is. Here what has happened? 3 into 5. I'll solve that first. That is 50. Here I'll write it as it is. Here also A is there. Here also A is there. A square, A square. So powers 2 plus 2, that is nothing but 4. A to the power of 4. So B. So 1 plus, so since there is no power over there, we will consider the power to be 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. So 15, A to the power of 4 and B square. Okay. So next we will come to division part. X divided by A. I'll write it as it is because it is different terms. I'll write it x divided by A. Here what has happened? AXY divided by AY. So what I'll do? AXY divided by AY. A I'll cancel over here. Y I'll cancel here. Only the remaining thing is X. What I have done? AXY I have written it there. Divided by AY. A I am cancelling it out. Y is also there both the sides. So I'll numerator and denominator. I am cancelling Y. Only the remaining thing is X. Here what has happened? And here there is no power. There is no numerical coefficient for that. So I consider 1. When there is no numerical coefficient, we have to consider that to be 1. So 7 into 1, 7. So both the sides A is there. Remember we are doing division. Okay. So in division what we have to do? We have to subtract the powers. In multiplication what we did? We are adding up the powers. In division we have to subtract the powers. So here A to the power of 4 and A square is there. So 4 minus 2, that is 2. Here next B. B to the power of 3 is there and 2 is there. 3 minus 2 is 1. Then C. C to the power of 5 is there and 2. 5 minus 2 is 3. So we got the answer 7A square, B and C cube. So here what has happened? X to the power of 4 divided by X to the power of 2. So X I write it as it is. 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. Here 45 minus 5 divided by 5 is 5. So x I'll write it as it is 2 minus 1, 1. Okay, 5x. Here what has happened? 20a divided by 5. So for a I'll write it as it is. Since there is no a here, we'll write a as it is. Here what has happened? A square, b square, c square divided by abc. So first I'll write abc. So when there is no power, we have to consider the power to be 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So 2 minus 1 is again 1. So 2 minus 1 is 1. So it's nothing but ABC. Okay. So here what we have done, in multiplication, the numerical terms we have multiplied and the powers we have added. In division what we have done, we have divided the numerical terms and we have subtracted the powers. Okay. And now we will try to solve algebraic equations. Here we have given, here you have to find the value of x. X minus 5 is equal to 7. Okay, this is the unknown number. So, I'll write x as it is, 7 I'll write as it is. This minus 5 I am bringing it over here. Here minus sign is there. When I shift this minus 5 to the right side, this minus becomes plus. So plus 5. So x is equal to 7 plus 5 is 12. So what I have done? X I have written as it is. 7 I have written as it is. This minus 5 I am shifting it here. When I shift it, the sign also changes. Minus becomes plus. My plus 5. 7 plus 5 is 12. Here x minus 7 is equal to minus 8. So here also x I write as it is equal to minus 8 I write as it is. This minus 7 I will bring it over here. So what happens? This minus becomes plus 7. So when you find minus and plus, so we have to do always subtraction. Minus and plus, when it is both the signs are there, we have to always do subtraction, and the number and the bigger number is 8. So the answer will also get that sign only. The bigger number is 8. The sign of 8 is minus. The answer will also get minus only. So 8 minus 7 is 1. So what we have done, x I have written as it is, minus 8. This minus 7, when it comes here, this becomes plus 7. So when we have plus and minus, we have to always do minus only. And the bigger number sign we have to put, that bigger number is 8. The sign of 8 is minus, 8 minus 7 is 1. So minus 1 is the answer. Here 4x plus 5 is equal to 17. First 4x I will write it as it is. Okay. 5. 17 I will write as it is. This plus 5 I will bring it over here. This plus becomes minus. Minus 5 becomes. 4x is equal to 12. Okay. Now x is equal to 12 I write as it is. This 4 I will bring it over here. Divided by 4. So what I have done? 4x is equal to 12 we got. X is equal, x I will write here. 12 I will write here. This 4 I will bring it over here. 12 divided by 4 is equal to 3. X is equal to 3. Here what has happened? 8r minus 23 is equal to minus 7. 8r is equal to minus 7, I'll write as it is. This plus minus 23 will come here. This becomes plus 23. 8r is equal to, here plus and minus is there. So subtraction we have to do. And the bigger number is 23. That bigger number sign is plus. So it becomes plus only. So 23 minus 7 is 16. R is equal to 16. I'll write as it is. This 8 I'll bring it here. So 16 divided by 8 is 2. Here what has happened? 2y I am writing as it is equal to 3. Writing as it is. This minus 3 I am bringing it here. This becomes plus 3. This minus becomes plus here. 2y is equal to 3 plus 3 is 6. So y is equal to 6 I write as it is. This 2 I am bringing it here. 6 divided by 2. So y is equal to 3. Okay. Here what has happened? 3x plus 17 is equal to 32. 3x is equal to 32. This plus 17 becomes minus 17. 3x is equal to 15. 32 minus 17 is 15. So x is equal to 15. This 3 comes here. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. 5 is the answer. So there will be another type of sums we will try doing over here. Here what has happened? 18 is equal to 9x. How will you do that? So first I will do x is equal to, okay, x I am writing it here. 18, this one will come here. Understood? X I am writing it here. First I will do x is equal to, this 18 I will write here. This 9 I am bringing it below 18. That is 18 divided by 9. That is equal to, x is equal to 2. T is equal to 200. So t I am writing as it is. 200 also I am writing as it is. This 4 I am bringing it down. So t is equal to 400 divided by 4. So 200 divided by 4. That is equal to 50. 200 divided by 4 is 50. Okay. This is another type of sum we will get. So here what we have to do? We have to do cross multiplication. So z by 7 is equal to 1 by 21. So we have to do cross multiplication here. So z into 21, 21z is equal to 7 into 1 is 7. Cross multiplication. Z into 21, 21z. 7 into 1 is 7. So z is equal to 7. This becomes down 21. So 1 by 3 will be the answer. So what I have done is z I am writing it as it is. 7. This 21 I am bringing it down. So 1 by 7 ones are 7 3s are. So I hope you really understood these algebraic sums. So please try with different numbers and please like and subscribe my channel and please stay at home and please be safe. Thank you very much.